Windows and iOS are two distinct operating systems primarily used on different types of devices. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is mainly designed for PCs, laptops, and tablets. It's known for its broad compatibility with various hardware and software, flexibility, and customization options. Windows supports a wide range of applications, making it popular in business and personal computing environments. iOS, developed by Apple, is specifically for iPhones, iPads, and iPods. It's a closed-source system optimized for Apple's hardware, ensuring tight integration and smooth performance. iOS is known for its user-friendly interface, security, and regular updates. However, it is more restrictive, allowing only apps from Apple's App Store. In summary, Windows offers more flexibility and device compatibility, while iOS focuses on seamless performance, security, and ease of use, primarily within Apple's ecosystem.